Hello to all my YouTube fans, how are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's vlog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today on a beautiful day outside, we're going to be checking out a wireless doorbell for the deck sunroom area. And we're going to do a bit of a unboxing and maybe a setup and see how it actually works and how it functions. Now, this is a GE brand unit. I bought this down at Walmart for about $11. And I say, let's go ahead and get it unboxed and see what it looks like. And of course, this is the unit you plug into the wall. This unit you put outside. And it's a battery operated one. I don't know how these actually work. I don't know. But let's give it a shot, shall we? Yeah, I hate these clean pack show too. But let's go. Let's have some fun. Let's go ahead and open it up. And the one thing is, if you're going to be using any type of box scuttle, you should always cut away from yourself, not towards you, because you never know if this is going to slip on this type of packaging. Now, of course, I did cut it open. Let's get the contents out of here. And of course, we have your mounting screws and just a standard flat cell battery, basically. And this is just like it claims it to be, a wireless. Of course, always read your instructions, how to set it up, and pair it to your device. And of course, I'll read that in a minute. There's the unit. This plugs into your house. And this is the wireless cable and some foam. Once you get all your contents out of the package and stuff, do yourself a favor. Please read the instructions on how everything goes together. One thing you're going to need is you're going to need a flathead screwdriver to put the button cell battery in. And basically, you want to put this under somewhere it's not going to get wet, because it's truly not a waterproof item. But you can use whatever you choose, the screws or the sticky tape. I'm going to choose the sticky tape because then I won't have to constantly fight around with it. There you go. There's the battery. Put it together. Of course, make sure you do it the right way. Basically, the battery's installed. Now what we gotta do is take the double-sided tape, or foam tape, or whatever you want to call this stuff here. If I can peel the backing off here. Nah, I think I did it the wrong way. Yep, son of a dilly. But that's okay. Let's try not to touch it too much. And let's go ahead and put this on the side of the wall. We're gonna have to peel this as well. Basically, we have a door, a sliding glass door over here. But the problem is, this door doesn't have a key to it. Means if somebody locks this door, well, you're kind of locked out of your own house. But if you carry your keys around like you normally do, you can get into the house. Now, you basically can set up the door mount wireless button thing here if you choose. You can permanently screw it in, but I use that double-sided tape, foam tape, and it looks pretty nice. basically this goes on the inside of the house, and luckily I don't have to peel anything because it's already peeled to this box. Now of course, let's test it and see if it actually truly works for $11. Basically I'm going to use this outlet over here. Now let's just give it a test and see what it does. And I say that works pretty good for $11. No drawing, no wiring, no anything. But the only biggest problem is the batteries. You constantly have to replace the batteries on this wireless remote system. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. Bye guys and girls. We'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. Bye for right now, and have a good day. All my YouTube fans, peace out.